Okay everyone, this is my newly made CNC machine. I have been working on it for about 2 weeks. I don't have time to record everything in videos, but if anyone wants to make one CNC machine like this, just email me and I will send you pictures of details that you want to know how I make it. My CNC machine has a laser head and a router head. I haven't tested the router yet, but the laser head works just fine. And everything is handcrafted. You can see made of plywood. And this slide bar is made from a lamp post. Most of them are handmade. The table, of course. I'm sorry for the quality of the video because I'm taking it on my Samsung smartphone. The laser works just fine. Let's try to to engrave a picture. Here's the picture I downloaded from the internet, and the software I use is the Laser Gerbo. Oh my, the quality of the video. You can see it. The Laser Gerbo version 3.7.0. Now let's cut it. Oh, I forgot to turn on the laser. The spot you can see is just for adjusting the dimensions. Now I'm turning on the laser. Yeah, you can see how powerful it is. Make sure you wear protective glasses. If anyone have I'm sorry, I did not put a white paper sheet. If anyone have any question on how I made the details, just email me and I will send you pictures of what I have done. It was just a long time since I last posted my video. Yeah, it's done. The first part is where I did not turn on the laser, and you can see it cuts. This is from where I turned on. And by the way, the pictures here is from my son. Pencil or white paper. Hope everything is doing good with the COVID-19. And remember, if you want to make a CNC machine like this, just email me and I will send you detailed pictures of the parts I have made, so that you can make your machine. Thanks for watching.